noise does the sheep make? Bah. What noise does the cow make? Moo. What noise do the mice make? Squeak, squeak. What noise does the lion make? Roar. Roar. What noise does the cockerel make? Cock-a-doodle-doo. What noise do the chicks make? What noise does the duck make? Quack. Good boy. What noise does the dog make? Woof, woof. What noise does the cat make? Good
Yeah,
boy.
good boy.
And what noise do the bees make? Buzz. Good boy. What does this one say? What's this one? The lion.
Roar.
What about
The cow, you know the cow,
the
mate.
cow? Good
Moo.
boy.
Moo.
Pardon? Really?
Say hello. Austin, when we go and see Grandma, what do we do? Grandma, where is she?
Good boy.
Where's Grandma? Is she on the computer? Oops. Is that why we go and see Grandma? Yeah. Austin. Wait there a minute. What's this? What is it? Choo-choo. Do you remember? Say again. What is it? What is it? It's not a dog.
Trains.
Choo-choo. Good boy. Wave bye-bye. Say bye-bye, doggies.
Austin?
Austin.
Bye bye. Kiss. 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 Wave bye. Austin. Oi, monkey.